Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download Netflix, Amazon Prime videos and HD movies for free. Before we head into the video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. The process is simple. So head over to your Chrome browser and search for Movies Bench, or just click the link in the description below. It will redirect to another tab. Close the tab and go back. Now search for the movie or the web series which you want to see. And click on it. Click on the downloading link which you want to see. It will take you to another tab and scroll down and click on the file which you want to download. Close the tab. It will pop up a new page. Click on Show. Now you will go to another new page. Click on Go to Download Site and the page will refresh. Click on Download this file. So finally it is downloading.
My name is Tokyo, but when this story began, that wasn't my name.
Don't move!
If you like this video, smash that like button and share it with your friends, and see you guys in another video. Till then, stay tuned.
Mom?
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.